When filling half your plate with fruits and vegetables, keep frozen produce in mind. There are so many benefits to using frozen produce. Frozen fruits and vegetables are frozen at peak freshness, which locks in the same nutrients as fresh. They are just as healthy as fresh produce. Are great if your family can't eat all of the fresh produce before it goes bad, since they have a long shelf life, usually up to 6 months. Can cost less than fresh, especially when compared to out-of-season fresh produce. Can be found in your grocery store year-round, require little time to make as they can be quickly heated up, so you have a super fast side dish in minutes. And grocery stores typically have sales going on for frozen foods. Let's say you are shopping for frozen broccoli. Look at the ingredient list, in this case found on the back of the product. Be sure this bag of broccoli includes only the frozen broccoli that you are wanting and not any extra sodium or salt, fat, or sugar. Remember to also compare the nutrition facts label between products, as you might discover some veggies have high sodium or salt or added fat. Perhaps you need some kale for a soup you are making, but then you realize your week is really busy. Buy the frozen kale so you don't have to worry about how quickly to use the vegetable before it goes bad. And the frozen kale is probably cheaper than the fresh kale. Keep in mind that frozen fruit can be a great way to buy out-of-season fruits. For example, if you are craving something sweet, berries are a great way to go. But if berries are not in season right now, don't buy the fresh berries, buy the frozen berries and save some money. You can always add frozen fruit to yogurt, oatmeal, cereal, smoothies, and baked goods at any time. For more tips on creating low-cost healthy meals, watch the next video in this series. And be sure to sign up for an in-person store tour provided in partnership with Local Matters, a nonprofit community organization. To schedule a tour time, email us at chwn@nationwidechildrens.org. You can also visit us on the web at nationwidechildrens.org/healthyweight.